You've built your skills. You install cameras, run network cables, and set up home theaters. Now it's time to build your future by getting your C7 low-voltage contractor's license in California. Because without it, you're leaving money and opportunity on the table. A C7 license allows you to legally install, maintain, and repair low-voltage electrical systems under 91 volts. That means the work you're already doing, like setting up structured cabling, security systems, audio and video systems, access control panels, and even low-voltage landscape lighting, can all be done legally and at scale. Here's the key part: if you charge $1,000 or more for a project, including labor and materials, you must have this license. Without it, you can't legally bid, advertise, or take on those bigger, more profitable jobs. Getting licensed might sound complicated, but if you've been doing this kind of work, you're probably already qualified. The state requires that you're at least 18 years old, that you've worked at a journeyman level for 4 years within the past 10, and that you have either a social security number or an ITIN. If you've got the skills, you can get the license. At Contractors Intelligence School, we make the process simple from start to finish. We'll help you set up your business entity and file your state application correctly the first time. Then we'll give you everything you need to pass your exams, including video lessons, audio courses, 3D illustrations, and realistic practice tests. You can study anytime and anywhere with our exclusive mobile app, and when you're ready, we'll walk you through the final steps with the CSLB. We've already helped thousands of professionals just like you get licensed. Our students pass on the first try 98% of the time. With our guidance, you can be a licensed C7 contractor in as little as 2 months. You've done the work. Call us now because it's time to level up your career. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more simple licensing tips.